Hey guys, welcome to Shodeep Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the sun as if sun is setting and sun is rising. Something similar to this. I'm not going to use the trees in the tutorial, but this is just for the sake of demo. So as you see, the sun is setting and you see the shadow of the trees. You see the fog, the sun rays, right? It's pretty cool, right? So I created a brand new third person project with the starter content. This is vanilla. I didn't add anything. So if you look at the world outliner window, you will see under lightning you see light source, and under render effects you will see atmosphere fog. So the light source is the sun. We can rename it to sun. Okay, and the sun has to be movable. So under the details window you will see mobility and from stationary to movable. All right, this is important. And we are not going to use the atmospheric fog. Let's delete that. But we're going to use you can keep that if you want. We're going to use the exponential height fog. Let's add that. In the exponential height fog, we're going to change some settings. So we have the fog density is 0.02. We're going to make it 1. This is going to be 2. This is 100. This is fine. And what else? Scatter distribution, let's put it to 0.5. Directioner is 4. Volumetric fog, make sure you enable this. So that's the setting for exponential height fog. And for sun, we want to change something. For example, the first thing we changed is made it movable. The intensity, we want to make it 10. Just to make it visible. You don't have to do that. I'm going to change the light to a little yellowish, like this, something like that. Okay, and source angle 1, and I think everything is fine. We're going to remove the walls, all right, because we want to see the shadow. We also want to increase the size of the floor. Make it 5. Okay, and let's give it a pattern. What kind of materials we want to give it? Let's make it glass. No, glass looks nice. Okay, I want to see how it looks like. Very good, I like it. Now we want to add blueprints. So go to blueprints and go to open level blueprint. All right, so in here we want to drag 2 things from the world outliner. First is the sun, and second is the sky sphere blueprint. So drag both of them and put in the event graph of your right click, event tick, add actor local rotation. So if you don't see it, uncheck context sensitivity. You want to add the this one, add actor local rotation. Okay, and the target is going to be sun, and the data rotation is going to be, we can say, like, drag this and say make rotator. Okay, and this is going to be, we're going to say delta seconds multiplied by float, and we're going to add a variable called sun speed. It's going to be float variable, compile, make it 3, drag it and add that to this. So we are multiplying delta seconds and sun speed, which is going to be the y pitch. Okay, all right, we're almost there. The last thing we have to do is update sun direction. There you go. And the target is going to be the sky blueprint, sphere blueprint. All right, so now what we want to do is add some pillars so that we can see the shadows. Okay, so I'm going to go to basics, add some cylinders, give it a gold material. Okay, there you go. Nice. Now I'm going to make some copies. Okay, all right, let's give it a try then. Now if I play this, okay, the sun is setting. It's very foggy, right? All right, let's change the floor from glass to something else. Okay, now you can see the shadow. The shadow is moving. All right, very foggy. All right, the sun has set, and it's gonna get dark at night. There's no shadow here right now. Okay, so I have deleted the fog effect. I want to see how it looks now. Okay, now is pitch black. The stars are too bright. All right, so without the fog, you can see it turns into night. So see, that is pitch black, and the sun is rising from there. Pretty cool, right? All right, so yeah, I mean, let me know if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.